57 species in genus Bouvardia. Bouvardia, a floral love affair. My name is Ferb Vu, and I have a confession to make. I'm utterly captivated by Bouvardia. This genus of flowering plants, belonging to the Rubiaceae family, has stolen my heart with its vibrant colors, delicate fragrance, and sheer elegance. Native to Mexico and Central America, with a lone species venturing into the southwestern United States, Bouvardia encompasses roughly 50 species of evergreen herbs and shrubs. As an avid gardener and lover of all things botanical, I've always been drawn to unique and captivating plants. Bouvardia, with its clusters of trumpet-shaped flowers, certainly fits the bill. These blooms, often found in shades of red, pink, white, and yellow, possess a charm that's hard to resist. They add a touch of exotic beauty to any garden or indoor space, and their sweet scent is simply intoxicating. A diverse and delightful genus. One of the things I admire most about Bouvardia is its diversity. Here are Bouvardia longiflora, known for its long, elegant white flowers and intoxicating fragrance. This species is a popular choice for bouquets and floral arrangements. Bouvardia ternifolia. This species, with its vibrant scarlet flowers, is a favorite among hummingbirds. It's a stunning addition to any garden that aims to attract these delightful creatures. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While Bouvardia's beauty is undeniable, its appeal extends beyond mere aesthetics. This genus holds cultural significance in some regions, symbolizing enthusiasm and appreciation. In the language of flowers, Bouvardia is often associated with positive emotions, making it a thoughtful gift for various occasions. Moreover, Bouvardia has been traditionally used for medicinal purposes in some cultures. While I'm not an expert on herbal medicine, I find it intriguing that this plant possesses potential therapeutic properties alongside its ornamental value. Cultivating Bouvardia, a rewarding endeavor. As an enthusiastic gardener, I've had the pleasure of cultivating Bouvardia myself. While it requires some attention and care, the rewards are well worth the effort. These plants thrive in well-drained soil and prefer a sunny location, although they can tolerate some shade. Regular watering is essential, especially during hot summer months. In my experience, Bouvardia is relatively low maintenance. However, it's important to be vigilant about potential pests and diseases. Aphids and spider mites can sometimes be an issue, but they can be controlled with appropriate measures. A continuing fascination. My journey with Bouvardia is an ongoing one. I'm constantly learning more about this captivating genus, exploring new species, and experimenting with different cultivation techniques. The more I discover, the deeper my fascination grows. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, I encourage you to explore the world of Bouvardia. Its vibrant colors, delicate fragrance, and rich diversity are sure to leave a lasting impression.